Nickel metal. Types, applications, and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at nickel metal and its uses. Here's what you'll learn. Principle of nickel metal. Types and forms of nickel metal. Application and benefits of nickel metal. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the fundamentals of nickel metal. Defining nickel metal. The nickel production process. Nickel extraction and processing. Sulfide or nickel extraction. Nickel extraction from laterite ores. Nickel refinement. Nickel shaping processes. Nickel extrusion. Cold drawing. Electroless nickel plating. Key considerations for purchasing nickel. Frequently asked questions. What are the primary methods for extracting nickel from its ores? What are some unique properties of nickel alloys that make them valuable? How is nickel shaped into various forms for industry applications? Which nickel alloys are popular for marine or harsh environments? How should nickel and nickel-plated items be maintained? What environmental challenges are associated with nickel mining? Chapter 2. What are the different types and forms of nickel metal? Nickel alloys and forms can be categorized into the following main types. Brushed nickel. Brushed nickel is commonly used in producing casting alloys, cupronickel, cupronickel's typical applications include Hastelloy, the following are types of Hastelloy nickel-based alloys. Inconel alloy. Several types of Inconel alloys are available, including Inconel 617, Inconel 601, Inconel 625, Inconel 600, Inconel 718, Invar alloy. Primary applications for Invar nickel alloys include Kovar alloy, common applications include Monel alloy, common uses of Monel include the most common Monel alloys include Monel 400, Monel 404, Monel 405, Monel K 500, Nichrome alloy, Nickel 200, applications include nickel bars and rods, nickel plates, nickel sheet, nickel tubing, permalloy nickel alloy, Chapter 3. What are the application and benefits of nickel metal? Applications of nickel metal. Benefits of nickel metal. Drawbacks of nickel metal. Maintenance when using nickel metal. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right nickel metal manufacturers for your needs.